What is email marketing in real estate investing? Email marketing is a strategy where investors send targeted email messages to potential sellers, buyers, or partners. It helps build relationships, stay top of mind, and convert leads into deals. Key points to understand. Purpose of email marketing. Nurture relationships with your database of contacts. Provide value, updates, and opportunities regularly. Convert cold leads into warm leads and active clients. How it works. Build an email list. Collect emails from website visitors, open houses, networking, social media, or lead forms. Segment your list. Sellers, buyers, wholesalers, partners, for better targeting. Craft your message. Write subject lines that catch attention. Include useful content, tips, market updates, deals, success stories, or investment opportunities. Use an email marketing tool. Platforms like MailChimp, Constant Contact, ActiveCampaign, or REI Reply help you automate and manage your emails. Automate, follow up, set up drip campaigns or sequences for new subscribers or prospects. Consistent communication builds trust over time. Types of emails you can send. Property alerts, e.g., new off-market deal. Educational newsletters, e.g., tips on foreclosure or real estate trends. Success stories or testimonials. Invitations to webinars, events, or consultations. Follow-ups to past conversations or missed calls. Advantages of email marketing. Scalable and affordable. Keeps your brand top of mind. Automates follow-up and saves time. Measurable. Track opens, clicks, and responses. Great tool for long-term relationship building. Disadvantages or challenges. Lower open rates. If subject lines aren't compelling, emails can land in spam folders if not set up properly. Needs consistency and content strategy to be effective. Requires a clean, updated list to avoid bounce rates. When to use it. When you're building a long-term lead nurturing system. If you're collecting leads online or offline to educate, update, or re-engage your contact list. When you want to stay connected to your network at scale. Conclusion. Email marketing is a must-have tool in a real estate investor's toolbox. While results may take time, it's one of the best ways to build long-term relationships, follow up efficiently, and convert leads into profitable deals.